Welcome to GripoFlow. It is an all-in-one workflow automation platform that helps you automate almost anything you can imagine. From cloud operations and DevOps pipelines to security tasks, business processes, and even AI-powered workflows, GripoFlow allows you to connect your tools, design smart workflows, and let automation do the work for you. In this video, you'll learn what a plugin is and how it simplifies connecting HubSpot to your workflows. A plugin allows you to connect any HTTP or gRPC endpoint and configure authentication. You can define events, build structured input forms, and deploy it as a reusable activity across workflows. And in this example, we'll use it to connect with HubSpot and automatically create contacts. Now let's see the result in HubSpot. This contact was added automatically using a custom HubSpot plugin. Now let's see how we created this plugin and used it in a workflow. Click on the Plugins tab. Here you can see all existing plugins. Click Add Plugin. A form appears. Give your plugin a name. Select the type, for example, manual. Add a short description. Click Add. Now add the manifest. Fill in, schema, version. You can get the base URL from HubSpot's official documentation. Now provide version. Keep the type as HTTP. Add tags if needed. Click Add Manifest. A pop-up confirms the manifest is added successfully. Let's add event in this plugin. Click on Add Event. Fill in the details. Write a name like Add Contact. Add a short description. In Type, select Post. In Path, enter the endpoint. In Content Type, select Application JSON, click Create Event. Pop-up plugin window appears. Now the form builder appears. Create the event form according to the JSON structure. Since authorization is required, select Text Inputs for this field. Now click the Edit icon. Authorization is always passed in the header, so make sure to select Headers. In Label, write Authorization. In Field Name, write the exact field name as defined in your JSON. In Placeholder, users can enter the value. Click Save Changes. Your first field is created. Now click on Object. Click the Edit button. A form appears. In Bind field, select Body. In Label, write Properties. In Field Name, write the specific name from your JSON structure. Click Save Changes. Now add contact details inside the object. Click Text Input again. Click Edit. Configure it for first name. Click Save Changes. Repeat the same steps to create last name. Now follow the same process to create the email field by selecting Text Input, choosing Body as the field bind, setting the label as Email, and enabling email validation. After editing each field, click Save Changes. If everything looks good, click Publish. A Adding Event pop-up window appears. Now you can see the detail of event added in the HubSpot plugin. Plugin appears in the created plugin list. To verify whether the plugin is working correctly, let's first check the HubSpot official site. As you can see, currently only 3 contacts are added. Now, go back to GripoFlow and open the Workflow tab. I've already created a workflow. If you want to create a new one, simply click on Create Workflows and follow the steps. Now click on the plus button and go to the Plugins section. Select the HubSpot plugin and choose Add Contact. Before adding the plugin, make sure you have created a HubSpot connection. If not, go to the Connection tab and create it first, as shown in the previous video. Fill in the required details: first name, last name, email, and submit the form. To verify the output, let's also add a Slack activity. Configure the Slack message and submit. Now save the workflow and click on Run. Now go back to HubSpot and you'll see that a new contact has been added. And you can also see the Slack message confirming that the workflow executed successfully. And that's it. You have successfully connected HubSpot with GripoFlow, created a plugin, added an event, and built a dynamic form. Now your workflows can send data directly to HubSpot, fully automated. With GripoFlow, you can automate complex workflows, connect multiple services, and streamline your operations, all from a single powerful platform. Thank you for watching.